Welcome back guys, this is Techie Rick. Today I'm unboxing the Vivo C6 5G. This device priced 21,000 Indian rupees. This device really worth to buy. Everything review in this video, so don't skip. Okay, first I am open the box. Inside the box front side mini box here and it's a white color. Mini box inside some documents and SIM ejecting pin and free transparent case. This case quality is not very hard, it is flexible case. Yeah, it's a free case. Then more box inside mobile phone here, it's a white color. Then more box inside and type C cable and AC adapter here. It support 44 watts fast charging adapter. Okay, let's overview the phone first. The display, it's a 6.57 inches Full HD plus resolution LCD display. It's not a AMOLED, but the quality is reasonable. The phone top right corner side, tiny punch hole here, inside 60 megapixel front facing camera. It's compared to other mobiles, it's very tiny punch hole camera, look like same Vivo X30 Pro and IQ3. Let's look the phone hardware and software. This device run Android 10 built-in FunTouch OS 10. Yeah, some people like FunTouch OS, some people didn't like FunTouch OS. It's your preference. What do you think guys? Do you like FunTouch OS? FunTouch OS 10 main highlight navigation bar. Yeah guys, FunTouch OS 1 to 9 I really hate because the navigations look like same iPhone style. This time FunTouch OS 10 is really amazing because it's normal navigation settings and navigation bar is look like it's good. But some people didn't like main reason is navigation. Anyways, overall the settings also look like the same. Phone comes with Snapdragon 765G. Nowadays, this processor working very smooth and fluid. Battery 5000 mAh huge battery with support 44 watts fast charging. Also, Vivo include the box inside 44 watts adapter. Maybe one to charging maximum time 1 or 2, 1 or 10 minutes. It's good. Bottom side type support, speaker grills and 3.5mm jack here. Yep, thumbs up for Vivo. It's not removed 3.5mm jack. On phone backside, totally quad camera setup here. Main camera 48 megapixel, secondary 30 megapixel ultra wide, third one 2 megapixel depth, and fourth one 2 megapixel macros.